Well, how do there, chums? 'Tis I, Captain of the Steves, and today, chums, we're going to a beach, and there's a millennium tree. It's a huge tree, said to be the home of a capre, which is like a tobacco-smoking giant monster. Hopefully, we're going to catch one. I doubt it. I very much doubt it. It's folklore stuff, people. Anyway, we'll see you there. It's a 3-hour drive. So I might give you some footage of the drive there and then arriving on location. I'm also hoping to do some 360 footage of the beach if it's not too crowded.
Yung hotel na pamahalin dyan, doon sa harap pwede. Highland Valley ka mo.
Highland Valley, gusto na naman.
Sa harap, mapapicture sila sa Highland Valley. Sikat yun.
Oo, dadaan lang, Highland Valley. Tanong mo kay Jebe kung gusto.
Sa Highland Valley. Hindi na matadaan ang kamamaya, gabi na.
So, people, this isn't where we're going, but this is so beautiful. And there's somebody else that's beautiful.
Ready, sir. Pagtabangandam.
Beautiful lady in a beautiful place. Yeah.
Sunset, didn't get sunset.
Yeah, the sunrise. Yeah. Very nice. Beautiful. People, this is breathtakingly stunning. It's such a beautiful country. Beautiful people. Gobsmacked. Hi. Oh, careful. Careful. Welcome.
Baler.
Baler, or Highland Valley. It's based on sort of Thai sort of architecture. It's got all these sort of bamboo type inserts and inlays. A lot of quad bikes. It's pretty darn freaking swish, to be honest. Hello, there's Ivy again. Hello, Ivy. Oh. Hello, guys. Beautiful. Resort and spa. Oh yeah. People, this is just on our way there. We're not even halfway yet. It's a 3-hour drive, but there's a lot to see. That side. Lake. Beautiful. So many times you can say beautiful, but this place is beautiful. Okay, people. Oh, look, we got this heart here, but look what's behind it. It's a massive tree. I don't even think I can get it in the actual camera. It's that big. I don't think you understand just how big this thing is. Look, that's the trunk. It's freaking insane. It's massive. No capri. But this is so cool. Hello, Princess.
Hello, we're in Balete.
We are indeed. Yeah, big tree. Yeah, we made it. 3-hour drive to the tree. It's awesome. Let's get a proper inside of this tree. So we've managed to get inside now. And look at this. So cool. There you go. Look. Look at that. Yeah, I see. Yeah, you're climbing behind me.
Can I go inside?
There she is.
Ay!
Don't fall.
I'm gonna climb.
Don't fall.
I'm gonna climb.
Cool.
Jaga, picture mo ako kapag ka-climb ako.
Is your throat okay, Ivy? You sound different. You got sore throat. Oh, sore throat.
Hindi, madulas dyan. Hindi, basta ako naman.
Climb.
Ay! Madulas
Okay.
ka eh. Oh.
How close is the nearest? How close is the nearest hospital, just in case?
No.
I don't think so.
Pwede ako umakyat?
I wouldn't.
Kaya mo. Pwede ako umakyat?
Look how high she's got. She's gone like super high. She used to climb trees when she was little. There she goes. She's gone all the way up there. Crazy lady climbing the tree. Yeah, you got to come back down yet. You come down slow. Bamagal. Bamagal.
Wow!
Picture tayo.
I'll go down. Saan maganda?
Well, you're braver than me because it's just rained. That's going to be slippery.
Yeah, slippery ate.
Yeah.
3 meters lang.
Well done, you. Go. Everyone's here. We're all here. Hey, go. Do you need a hand? Are you okay?
I'm fine, I'm fine.
You're fine, you're fine. Boom, you're down. Well done, you.
For the vlog.
Cool. So you got the Spanish coming in. Their influence bringing Christ to the people of the Philippines. Then a slight calamities hit. Then the Philippines start growing churches of their own and building churches of their own or whatever. They're adopting the religion. Going into sort of democracy and yeah, having their own little wars. Being invaded by multiple countries and so forth and so on. And then it goes over to this last part over here, which is interesting because you've got apocalypse now. And then it goes back to a flood. I'm pretty much back to day one again. Which, with current affairs, what's happening in the South China Sea, who's to say that's not going to happen? Anyway, right now we are in Baler, but it's at Baler. So B-A-L-E-R, as you can see there with big letters. There's Yancy. Hello, Yancy.
Welcome to Baler.
And Jekka. Another Jekka. There's Dada. And Anika. Hello, Anika. Hello, Dada. Good. Good. There we go. Limwell. And Athena. Hello, Athena. Limwell. And Michelle, Ivy's sister. You can tell she's Ivy's sister, they look alike. And there's Mummy, Ivy's mum. Yeah. We've got like a big statue thing here, which is pretty cool, and a water tower over there. So we're actually in Baler now, and this is where the waterfall is. We've already been to the tree, the Millennium type tree. Next is a waterfall and the beach, so there's still more to see, people. Don't you go away. We're not at the beach, we're not at the waterfall. We're at this mausoleum type place, still in Baler. The actual sign that was at is just over there. I see it on my camera, but the sign is just through there. We're just across the street. Look at this building. Take a listen to those birds. This is just awesome. I just had to share it with you people. Such a beautiful, beautiful place. Keep saying the word beautiful, keep saying the words awesome. It's the best way to describe the place. I don't know what else to say. Museo de Baler. A little bit like that graffiti. And it depicts some pretty grim images, to be honest. But it's beautiful. What a contrast. Yeah, a bit of a conflict inside my head with this one. It's beautiful. Well, you make up your mind. Let us know what you think. Look at this resort behind us as well, people. Don't worry, I'll put you back to the sea in a second. I know that's what you really want to see. And there's Ivy as well. And I stuck a sticker on the back of her head. It says Manila, London. That's her channel, people. That's my missus. And her channel.
Hello.
There she is. But yeah, especially when you look that way, Ivy, where you can see all the mountains and the beach and the waves coming in. It's amazing. Let's see if we can zoom down on some of the people having a bit of fun. Awesome. Those waves coming in, man. Somebody out there with an umbrella in their hand. A couple of them actually. Beautiful, beautiful. I wish we could spend a bit more time here and just chillax, maybe have a little nap, have a little paddle, but we're off to the waterfall. According to the people, the waterfall is the main attraction. Now you can actually go in the water by the waterfall and cool down there. So, and it's fresh water, so unlike here where you can get salt in your mouth, it's probably a little bit more pleasant. So Ivy and I bought pasalubang, which were these umbrella hats, and as you can see here, they're being well used. Yeah, look at you fashionistas. Yeah. Lovely ladies.
Hello.
Brilliant. Go, go, go. And we've got a street vendor here that's selling handmade jewelries. Very nice. Yeah, very cool. I'm just doing a vlog for YouTube, so I'll put you on YouTube, sir. Very nice. Are they real pearl?
Boss ka. Ito kasi, ay, puntas.
Very nice.
Kaya wala
Real?
kailangan.
Yeah.
Come, dito.
Okay, come on.
Ikutin mo yung kada.
I actually bought Ivy the earrings. Look at that.
Thank you. Like
350 peso.
4 pounds.
Yeah, very good. So included in the price of going to the falls, you can also go for a swim in there. Pretty darn cool. Ah, what are you pointing at, Ivy? Oh yeah, the mountains overlooking these pools. We can swim in there, right? Yeah, cool. Come on, Lillian. Hey, come on. You alright? You're okay. We're going to a waterfall now. It's going to be awesome. Yeah.
The monkey.
Very cool. Let's head on over. Okay, well you can probably hear the water. I see it behind me. And say Lucia there. Mary, take a look at this water. Look how clear that is. It is crystal clear. It looks like glass. It's amazing. I'm going to go under that. I'll ask Ivy if she can do a bit of filming on me while I'm in there. Just need to do a bit of 360 footage. And I need to find Ivy. I don't know where Ivy is right now. But 6-hour car journey and a lot of beautiful stops. And here we are at the falls. Right, so one more stop before we go home. We stopped at Lim Wells' father-in-law's house, and I'll just show you what's here. So we've got these roosters for cockfighting, and some more over there. There's a lot of ducks over here as well, and yeah, so loads of ducks that are being fed right now. Let's go and see them being fed. There you go. Some little ducklings amongst them. So sweet. I think there might be Peking duck. Could be wrong. But yeah, they look amazing. So yeah, that's Linwell's father-in-law. Oh yeah, all their roost in there. Nice. Fresh itlog.
Fresh itlog.
Itlog is egg in Tagalog. And over here, we've got ourselves some racing pigeons. So he's into a bit of everything. He likes his birds, this guy. I guess he does. Yeah, so locally he's quite famous, really. He started off a lottery inside of this hometown, an area. So yeah, it's very well known in the area. Hello. Some more here, some more roosters there. There's a couple here as well. Nice one there. Oh, the river here. Just step on over. Nice fresh water. Limwell.
This is a chef cook.
Ah, chef cook. The tuna was amazing. Really good. Masarap. Masarap.
Thank you.
The tuna was masarap. Really nice. Thank you. Salamat. So we sat here, we ate, and we had a really good time. So there was one more stop on the way home. It's a palenque. It's a market.
Yellowfin.
Yellowfin tuna? Oh, okay. You need to get a cooler though, Wavy, don't you?
No, JB said we need to buy first before putting the cooler so we know what size we can get.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, hello people. One more stop. This is called Bukit.
Buko.
Buko.
Coconut.
Buko. Oh yeah, of course. Look, Stephen says there. Buko. Buko juice. So these grow on the trees here. They use that machete. Open them up, stick in a bamboo straw, and away you go. And apparently I'm trying one. So this is new.
Pag gusto niyo sabaw lang, matamis kung yung matanda. Para siyang Sprite. Ito kasi maasim siya. Okay, try natin tag-isa.
Boom.
Hilang.
Yelo lang po yan, Nay. Wala po, hindi po siya matamis. Diretso lang kayo, ha?
Okay. Boom. And in. Done. Cool. Ivy's trying it. Cool. Can I give it a try? Oh, that's refreshing. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. Very nice. You're a bit of a ninja with that knife. Yeah. Look at that. Boom. Very cool. Do you want me to aim it for you? There you go.
This is
Yeah.
better. Try it.
Yeah? Has it got Sprite in it or something, did she say?
No, she said it's like
Right, okay.
sweeter.
Oh. Yeah. That does taste like Sprite, like flat, not fizzy Sprite. Yeah. Different. Okay, so there we go. Now tried Buko. Limwell said that he'd get us Buko, and he did. He's a man of his word. Cool. Thank you very much, Salamat. Thank you. Oh, people, this journey never ends. We're at another place. You can probably hear waves. Let me show you what I can see. It's a stunning world. It's a stunning world, and this is just part of it. Maybe I haven't seen enough of the world, but this is a beautiful, beautiful part. It really is. Okay, people. Well, we've come to one more destination on the way home, and this is the wobbly bridge. And Ivy's bricking herself over there. There she is. You coming any further? No. I don't blame you. It's a bit Cobby Kong. Yeah. Okay. We go back, yes. Yeah. So people, the Philippines, slightly wonky, but beautiful at the same time.
Is it the...
Right. Well, we're back. And there is a power cut. We've had a power cut, and the temperature is freaking high. And I've also managed to pick up myself a case of diarrhea. And I think it was thanks to that Sprite Buko. I don't think it was Sprite. I just don't think it was right. It wasn't right Sprite. Yeah, and it's played havoc with my freaking tummy. They've gone out to the local market to try and get me some medicine, so let's just hope this works, people. Yeah, hope to see you tomorrow, otherwise I might be sitting on the crapper for the whole day. Until next time, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye again. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you like what you see, please hit a like and a subscribe, and I'd like to say a massive great big thank you to all of my backers over on Patreon and over on YouTube membership. Thanking you, backers! And if you want to support this channel, just don't skip the adverts. That throws revenue down my avenue. Or yeah, just stay with Captain Steve that little bit longer and hit something on this screen. There's merch here now too.